Hi all, today's topic is transition probability matters for a problem 2. P is given in this transition probability given, initial probability of given. It is asked 3 subdivision it is asked to calculate. So I will go with one by one. So what is our first subdivision means probability of x3 equal to 2 given x2 equal to 1 as per the Markov chain. When I write P, how I have to write it means like this P1 2 from a reverse I have to write 1 2. This how I have to write it means I have to subtract it 3 minus 2 1. So P1 2 power 1. So P1 2 power 1 is nothing but P only. This is power 1. So P1 at 1 2 position. P1 2 position we have to write it. P1 2 position is nothing but 1 2. So 1 by 4. So answer is 1 by 4. So completed. First subdivision completed. So what is our second subdivision? So second subdivision P of x2 equal to 2, comma x1 equal to 1, comma x not equal to 2. So now when I write it as per probability of A comma B comma C is nothing but probability of A given B into probability of B given C into probability of C. So that way I have to write it Markov chain because future depend upon only present. Okay. So past and all it forgot. So remaining it carries on etc etc. It goes on according to that we write it. So probability of x2 equal to 2 given x1 equal to 1 into probability of x1 equal to 1 comma x not equal to 2. Again when I rewrite it, it is probability of x2 equal to 2 given x1 equal to 1 into probability of x1 equal to 1 given x not equal to 2 into probability of x not equal to 2. So now when I write a shortcut for the probability, now I will use some other color. So now when I write a shortcut, I have to write it P1 2 power 2 minus 1 1. Okay, so this when I write it P2 1 into the whole power 1. So this is initial probability at a state 2. That you should not do mistake in this only you may do. They may change the question like this only. They may give the state to be 0 1 2. Okay, so that the case when it is written this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, that case will change. Now this is state 1, state 2, state 3. State 1 only it's given. Same, it is no problem at all, 1 by 3. Okay, so now P1 to power 1. P1 to it's nothing but already we know that it is 1 by 4. P2 1. 2 1 means 1 by 4. Same 1 by 4. So when I substitute all 1 by 4. So 1 by 4. So 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 1 by 3. So it is nothing but 0.0208. So completed. So what is the third question? It is asked 4 values are given. So same concept only. So extend it for a 4 variable. So now when I do it, so this third subdivision, probability of x3 equal to 1 and x2 equal to 2 comma x1 equal to 1 comma x not equal to 2. So when I write it, so for this first we need to write as per the formula x3 equal to 1 given x2 equal to 2 into probability of x2 equal to 2 comma x1 equal to 1 comma x not equal to 2 etc. So probability of x3 equal to 1 given x2 equal to 2 into probability of x2 equal to 2 given x1 equal to 1 into probability of x1 equal to 1 comma x not equal to 2. Again when I write it, first two element as it is, to given x2 equal to 2 into probability of x2 equal to 2 given x1 equal to 1 into probability of x1 equal to 1 given x not equal to 2 into probability of x not equal to 2. So now when I write a shortcut P2 1 power 3 minus 1 1. So same way this when I write P1 2 power 1 P 2 1 power 1. Okay, 2 times it is written, no? Yes. This 2 times written 1 minus 1 1, so 3 2 1 into probability of x naught, so it is nothing but 1 by 3. So when I multiply it, so already we know that p21 whole power 21 the whole power 1 is nothing but already it's 1 by 4. P12 the whole power whole dash power 1 is nothing but same 1 by 4. P21 the whole power 1 is nothing but same 1 by 4. Substitute everything. So all this when I multiply it, I will be getting 0.0052. So they may ask additionally, okay, it is not given in this question. If they ask additionally any single data, okay, it may be any data it is asked additionally. If they ask any question, fourth subdivision, if they ask probability of some x2 equal to 2. If they ask like this, additionally, say only single data means how we have to do with the initial probability I have to write. So probability of x2 equal to 2 as it is given, x not equal to which state you have to check. State 1 only start with state 1. If it is 0 means 0 state, okay. Plus probability of x2 equal to, sorry, we have to write it in commas, not given. You have to write it in commas. So x2 equal to 2, comma x1 x not equal to 2 plus probability of x2 equal to 2, comma x not equal to 3. So this is the way. Now we extend this formula. So it's nothing but probability of x2 equal to 2 given x not equal to 1 into initial probability x not equal to 1. Same way this when I expand it, probability of x2 equal to 2 given x not equal to 2 into initial probability of x not equal to 2 plus probability of x2 equal to 2 given x not equal to 3 into probability of x not equal to 3. So this initial probability, all the initial probability given in the question to be 1 by 3 only. So all the 3 parameter will be 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3, this is 1 by 3. Only this I have to write. This how I have to write it means shortcut when I write P12, correct? No, P12. But this 2 minus 0 here 2. Power 2 means P squared, that corresponding answer 1 2. Same way in this when I write it is P22 power 2. Okay, in this when I write it is P3 to power 2. For this I should calculate P square. This P squared you can check in my calculator video how to calculate P squared. I have given in my in video. So you check how to calculate P squared. In the P squared, P1 to position, P3 to position, P2 to position. Now I will write directly. I have an answer. So I will write now. So 16, so 5 by 16 and 1 by 16 and 5 by 16 and 8 by 16, 3 by 16, 3 by 16 and 9 by 16 and 4 by 16. P already it is given in the question as it is the question. 1 by 4, 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, the same question I am taking. 0, 3 by 4, 1 by 4. Okay, again the same p. Okay, when I multiply I'm getting, so my p22, p22 means 8 by 16, p12 means 5 by 16, p32 so 9 by 16. So my total answer will be, okay, so it is nothing but everything 1 by 3, 1 by 3 you can take it outside or multiply with the 1 by 3, 1 by 3 I will take it outside. So it's nothing but so what are all the answer? I have to multiply it 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So commonly taken outside. So 5 by 16 plus 8 by 16 plus 9 by 16. So add everything. I'll be getting the answer to be 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is my final answer. So completed. Thank you.